Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see related term with the purchasing or logistic contract. This term is absorption. Sometimes either vendor or due to the force from the buyer, some costs are being absorbed. Here, when we refer carrier rate, carriers generally sometimes absorb the cost of special services or privileges and does not include the freight charge. Then it is called absorption. The special charges may be for switching, lighterage or warpage. The reason could be many, including the competition. When it comes to purchasing, the practice of seller paying for some of the freight charges so as to equalize freight cost with that of a competitor firms for order entry and processing and possibly for transmitting directions for shipping, checking inventories, so many miscellaneous activity the vendor is willing to do because of competition or he wants to gain additional business from the organization. Generally, you may also see we use vendor managed inventory or consignment inventory where the vendor is willing to provide additional services without charging the customer. This may be due to the competition or the seller is trying to promote his product and trying to get the new business. Thanks for watching. Bye.